Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas has condemned calls by United States President Donald Trump for the Pentagon to resume nuclear weapons testing, calling the move both regressive and irresponsible. Having rebranded its Department of Defense as the Department of War, a nuclear-armed bully is resuming testing of atomic weapons. Araghchi wrote in a post on X late Thursday. The same bully has been diminishing Iran's peaceful nuclear program and threatening further strikes on our safeguarded nuclear facilities, all in blatant violation of international law, he said. Trump made the surprise announcement in a Truth Social post on Thursday, shortly before meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping in South Korea on the sidelines of Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit. Trump said he had instructed the Pentagon to immediately resume nuclear weapons testing on an equal basis with other countries like Russia, China, and whose nuclear weapons arsenal will match the US in 5 years, according to Trump.